Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove background from your pictures. I made a video previously on how to do this on PC. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it on Android. You don't need professional software app. Just download this app called Pixel Cut on Play Store. Apart from removing photos, removing background from your pictures, you can actually do other stuff like create stories of social media and animated stories, wedding. You can get some templates for wedding stuff here, digital stuff, food blogger, eBay listing. You can try the deja vu trend. There's so many things to do with this app. So if you want to try maybe like the wedding template, all they have to do is just click on it and make your picture transparent. Just put your picture in there and it will fit. So it will remove background from your photos. You just click on your photos, import your photos here. All you have to do is just swipe and wait for some minutes, because it's actually using internet connection. The AI is actually using internet connection to do everything. That's it. After removing the background, you can save it or use it to create any other pictures you want. You just click on. That's it. You have removed the background. This app is not actually free. You have eight swipe every day, I guess. But if you want to remove the watermark, you can pay extra. The app is not totally free, but the watermark don't actually come in the way. You can actually use it like that. You can actually crop out the watermark if you want. So you have so many styles to choose from. You have so many styles to choose from, or you can just remove the background entirely and make it a PNG file, then save it. You can actually increase the resolution if you want, or decrease the resolution. So that'll be all for this video. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching.